Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we did just start the whole process. It's just my video got cut. So what we were doing was a spring natural makeup tutorial. I used this palette as my base, and we're using this palette from Kathleen Lane. And I'm just using Shooting Star and Magical all up in my crease here now. And as I was saying, I've been doing new techniques lately. And hold on, I'm going to just do it. Oh, so since I'm going to the mall, I could go into it. That's a perfect sense. But back to whatever we were doing. Like, I already got my shape out on this eye. I just gotta do my other eye. I'm just trying to bring it up more so I can do the brow bone. Like, I'm trying to use not all those dirty brushes. So I'm just gonna go back into this for the brow bone only. Just for my brow bone on my left side. So we got one eye kind of done. It's just I did the other eye. I feel like getting spring videos out now because like that's like perfect time for me. I like getting my videos out early. Like I'm like so concentrated in this because it's so hard. Hold on. There's my angle, because it's kind of right where mine is. Because, like, I'll be cleaning whatever's right there. Because it's like, BAM! But it's fine. Blend it up, because, like, mine's more up. And this one's, like, kind of there. So we're almost there. Okay. I think we got it. It's just I gotta clean her up. Okay. Now I'm gonna take another, but it's gonna be a clean one. So wait, I forgot they don't work good with a brush. So, but I want to get this color naturally. So I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take the shade Spark. I never use this shade, so I'm scared. So since we're doing this, I will tell you that I just ordered the Bears and Cream palette. It should be here this week. And I'll be doing a video on that again. Like, I'm not going so... Like, it looks patchy. So, I'm gonna... Like, it looks fine in the camera, but it's patchy on my lid. Okay. I don't want to keep dealing with it, but let me get my other eye. It looks so bad. It looks so bad. I can see how bad it looks in the camera, but it looks so good on off camera. Like, I feel like I got punched in the face. Okay. I don't want to keep messing with it because I gotta get the other shade in. So I'm just taking another brush like that. I'm taking the other shades that we just used in my crease. Move it back up as well. Okay. Hope it did. Because, like, I'm... So I'm taking kaleidoscope, and then I'm going to take Stardust and Twinkle, oh my god, oh no, that wing's hella long. What is this? One up, one that way. So, with this being said, this is a challenge to get my angles straight. So I'm trying to get her back up. So I went down on my high. It's like it went boom. And it was supposed to go up. But it's fine. I don't want to put mascara on because this looks so bad. Ugh. Yeah, this is my empty one. Okay, I can feel it. Okay. I don't want to do too much with it because it looks so my whole face looks so dramatic. But I'm gonna take my Berries and Cream lipstick in the shade Babe. No, why am I saying Babe? It's creamy pink. Like with mine, I gotta apply it like so many times because it's patchy. Like, I would never wear this kind of look out. So that's why I'm like, I don't like it, but I don't care. It's just for a video, and that's it. And yeah, I'm done. So yeah, this is the completed look. I know it looks so, like this eye's like perfect, but when you come to this one, it's like, But I can't set my face because I need setting spray because I'm like running low really bad. But yeah, so this is my spring glam, soft glam kind of look with a berry and cream lipsy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.